To upgrade your Windows 10 Home Edition to Windows 10 Pro Edition, you need two things: a product ID and a product key. You can purchase product key from Microsoft via Amazon or eBay, etc. You can ask the seller for product ID for Windows 10 Pro Edition. Once you have the product ID and product key, you come to the settings and type activation, and you click change product key and you enter the product ID instead of product key there for upgrading Windows 10 Home Edition to your Pro Edition. So Windows will install additional features for Professional Edition and does a restart. So after the restart, come back here again. This time enter product key to activate Pro Edition.